Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without payment method. So if you try to change your country or region and it will ask for the payment method, and if you want to do it without payment method, then how you can change your country or region without payment method. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now if you want to change country or region, then there are two methods available. The first method is that you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply click on that profile section here, and after that you have to click on name or Apple ID, and after that a new kind of interface will be available where you can check for your verification, and you have to provide your Face ID, and after that you have to click on country or region, and you will find the option of all the countries, and after that you have to simply select that country you want to change the region, and after that you have to agree the terms and conditions. So you have to simply click on continue, and before that you have to make sure that you review your purchases, because some purchases didn't work in any of the option available. So you have to simply provide the payment method. In payment method, the option will be available as non-payment method is also available. So you have to simply select that payment method, and after that you will be able to change the payment method without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.